beginning of Islam in the early period. In the beginning of the Dawah, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was told by Allah to preach privately or secretly. Then he started to preach the relatives and friends secretly. The persons who embraced Islam first were Hazrat Khatija radiallahu anha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Zaid bin Harisa. Then they started to convey the message of Islam to the relatives and friends of them. The secret dawah continued for 3 years. So many persons embraced Islam during this period. Hazrat Usman bin Affan, Zubair ibn Awwam, Abdul Rahman ibn Auf, Saad bin Abi Waqqas. Like this, more than 60 Sahabas embraced Islam. This is the house of where they would meet Dar al-Arqam. It was in between As-Safa and Al-Marwa, but it was closer to As-Safa. So in Arabic, Dar means so it is called Dar-e-Arqam. So after 3 years preaching privately, the Prophet was told to announce it publicly. Go out and spread Islam. The people was told to Quraysh could not accept Islam. Then they started to convey the message of Islam to the relatives and friends of them. Jazakumullahu khairan wa ahsanul jazaa.
MashaAllah.